You want to know why am I rubbing on a pig? Yep, she's spoiled. She's very spoiled. That's why. I'll rub on you too. Of course I will. You guys want to pick some stuff off of her? Go ahead. She don't mind. She says she don't mind. Go right ahead. Yep. She's sitting on my lap. Are you jealous? Look at those talons. Those are some serious feet right there. Hey, if I rub your chin, will you go to sleep? Huh? Oh, yes, you will. Have that chin rubbed, I know. And that head rubbed, yes, you do. Yes, you do. Does that feel good? Huh? Does it feel good? It does, huh? It feels so good. Okay. The thing about construction and animals is they like to get in the way sometimes. But we got the goods and we're about to make this happen. All right, so over to that corral, which is where we're gonna go. So what I've decided is right now the emus are in here with the chickens, but I already have 3 coops in that area. So this goat area is actually a little bit larger, and the emus will actually be goat sized in a couple of months. So I'm gonna move them, go ahead and move them in here now. Let them get used to hanging out with these boys. And then this pen, as the emus get bigger, I can always extend it. I have plenty of room to move this fence down as far as I need to make their area larger. So in addition to, we're gonna do the structure today for them, and then eventually we'll have to create some type of shade area in here as well. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You're getting a new roommate, but first I'm gonna let you out to roam free so I can do some construction in your area. Hey guys, Dad's here with the supplies. Hey guys, go on. Go find the girls. Go on. Roam around. Oh, the girls are coming to find you guys. So we're gonna unload everything and we're gonna pile it over here. Okay, Lily, first me and you are gonna clear the area so we can get the rakes and rake all the rocks and stuff out of the way from where we're gonna put it. Like I said, goats are curious, and when you're doing construction, it's best to lock them out because they will get in the way. So once we get everything unloaded into our area, we're locking these guys out of our work area on the other side of the fence.
There?
Yep.
Straight up and down.
I think then I went 2 rows.
Yeah.
So we started with the frame, Now we're just putting on some walls. And this is actually going to be a wall. We're going to stand it up. We're going to stand it up. Okay, and then we're going to move this board over so you can stand in the middle and staple up the middle. Or nail, because it's a nail gun, not a staple gun. And then the same on that end. Perfect. Perfect. All right, let's stand her up and see what she looks like. So this is one wall. We're going this way up, so we can see what she looks like. So this is going to be the exterior of the wall. You guys should count so everybody's together. And then this will be the interior of the structure. So now we're going to make 3 more of these, and then we'll put them all together. And we'll be back to do a roof and a door. Putting up the second wall. Even, DeAndre? I got a gap right here, though. Yeah. Okay, is it even now?
Yep.
Get the next one on. All right. First, I gotta kind of get it in the woods. You holding it, DeAndre? Because it doesn't feel like you're holding it.
Am I supposed to still hold it?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I was holding it together.
Nope, right there. Got it? I asked you to switch sides with me, not like go, you know, after you got on that side. Okay. Okay, one more screw.
Right here.
Thank you. Good deal. All right. All right, so far we got a couple of walls up. Whoop, whoop. And on this side, if you walk around, we're going to cut a window for ventilation, but the front is pretty much going to be open anyways. So this would be the front. We're using a wood pallet as a door. I can swing that and show you what that will look like closed. DeAndre, close this for me. The wood pallet. So that's going to sit right in there. We'll make it, hinge it so it can swing, push it, close the gap for me. All the way, there we go. See, it'll nestle right in there. We'll put a hinge on the back side so that can swing. Swing, bada, 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 swing. And yeah, so this is the climbing thing the goats climb on. They're going to be in here with them. So they have a window. We'll put on the back wall. Right now we're waiting on the power tools to charge. And then throw our roof on. And like, bam! We're done. Bam. I mean, the space isn't super big, but it'll be big enough for 2 emus to hang out and sleep. Hang out when it's raining and sleep. Other than that, they'll be out most of the day. They can go in and take a nap when they want. So basically, we'll put down some bedding and some water. Hey guys, your house is almost ready. We're gonna finish it up tomorrow because it's getting hot out here. All right, so let's see where we're at with this. This shelter right here is for the goats. They climb and jump on that. So this is it's gonna be the emu house, casa, whatever you want to call it. It does get really hot here. So if you see each corner, there is we left spaces for ventilation. This whole front is gonna stay open, but I'm gonna kind of create a little awning so that if it rains, the rain doesn't go directly in. And we're gonna create a couple of windows, probably on the back, maybe one on each, maybe, I don't know, at least 2 windows, maybe one on each side. We don't want it cold in the winter, but we don't want it hot in the summer. So yeah, that's how far we are. It's pretty hot out here. And Ellie Mae, what's all that noise, baby girl? All right, don't forget, I need names. Put a name down below. This is a repurposed pallet. We can enter here. Definitely needs windows. Plenty of ventilation. Get the roof on, some windows in, and woohoo! Hell, I might move out here. Come on. Where's everybody?